fall fun video. So if you guys want to see this on YouTube, you better go on there later and check this video out. So this is my left camera filming it. And
why don't you just do whatever?
And let's just say see? Told you it's supposed to be a fall fun video.
Oh, you're goofy.
So whatever's fun for fall.
Just don't fall.
It's for fun at fall. So whatever you're thinking that you'll like at fall is probably going to be on this video. So let's start the fall fun. First, we're going to have a couple rounds jumping in the leaves. So, here we go. Thank you.
You didn't even get in the leaves.
So,
Get buried in them.
let's start laying.
You gotta throw them, everything.
What?
Throw them.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. I didn't mean like that, and I'll have to rake them again.